Bettermech Research Center, collaboration drives innovation. Our workspace empowers teamwork, creativity, and seamless communication, building the future together. Our meeting and brainstorming rooms foster open communication and idea sharing, where collaboration turns vision into reality. State-of-the-art lab for research, testing, and quality control. Modern auditorium with a video wall and flexible seating for collaboration. Immersive, state-of-the-art facility, showcasing interactive innovations. Experience the next level of in-vehicle technology with our smart cockpit and infotainment system, designed to provide a seamless, connected and engaging driving experience. Structured project management ensuring clear objectives, deliverables, and timelines. Our hardware engineers design and develop electronic circuits, PCBs, and embedded systems for innovative solutions. Our software engineers develop software solutions for embedded systems, applications, and cloud-based platforms. Our mechanical engineers design mechanical components, assemblies, and systems using advanced CAD tools. Our testing engineers conduct rigorous testing to ensure functionality, performance, and reliability. We drive innovation, strengthen capabilities, foster collaboration, prioritize customer needs, and champion sustainability. Our Research and Development Division is dedicated to pioneering advancements in automotive electronics. We focus on 9 key areas of innovation.